Mabuhay, welcome to our restaurant, sir. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, under the name of James Smith for 7 p.m.
Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation for 4 persons. Please follow me. This way, sir. Have a seat, sir.
Thank you.
Here's your table by the window, sir, as you're requested. I hope it's comfortable.
It looks great.
Perfect. Your server will be with you shortly to take your order. Would you like some water, sir?
Yes, please.
Thank you.